Welcome to this week's Walthers Showroom Update. I'm Zach, and I am very excited. Santa came. He brought us some awesome Jordan spreaders. We've got the second run here. They look absolutely gorgeous. We're going to get right on over the track and show you right now. First up, we've got this awesome orange and black BNSF scheme. You can see it's a very authentic looking model with several points of articulation. For those of you that are not yet familiar with the model, it's based on the 2-200 spreader ditcher snowplow prototype, which is a common design that's been in use for nearly a century. Wings and moldboards are positionable and can be raised or lowered. Each road is modeled as details with appropriate horn air placements, 70-ton roller bearing or Bettendorf trucks, horizontal or vertical air reservoirs, and one of 4 different headlight styles. You'll see the differences in the individual models as we move through the group. Combine all that detail and all the fidelity and execution, and you've got one heck of a sharp looking model. The second production run features 8 different paint schemes, including this debonair Canadian National in black with white lettering. And the C&NW scheme shows a really good example of the derivation in all these units with its vertical versus horizontal headlights and a different forward positioning of the horn. It's also equipped with the Bettendorf truck as opposed to the 70-ton truck that you saw in the BNSF. Next up, we've got the C&NW in bright yellow paint scheme with the green trim and the employee-owned logo. And as luck would have it, the model is equipped with a third type of headlight, a barrel-shaped headlight towards the front that's on the wing post cross tie. So we're leading off the second group with the Grand Trunk Western, which looks sharp and is solid black trimmed out with red. Following that, you got the Sioux Line unit in brown with the yellow blade. Notice the single chime horn position way towards the back of the cab of this unit. And simple as the name of the game with this maintenance of way scheme, one of 3 in this production run. And this is the first unit that you're seeing today with the vertical air reservoir. All right, these last 2 schemes are also decorated for maintenance of way. And the first being this highly visible orange paint scheme with the black trim. And also don't miss the array of vertical and horizontal lights mounted on the vertical wing post cross tie. Finally, my favorite of the bunch, maintenance of way black with the shark face on the plow. All right, so there you have it. These things look beautiful, and you're not going to want to miss out on them. If you're interested, I would absolutely recommend getting a pre-order in. The BNSF units are just about sold out here at Walthers, and the rest of them are kind of on their way to that same point too. So go on over to your local hobby shop, go over to walthers.com, place a pre-order. You're not going to want to miss out. And in fact, that first run that we received a couple months ago, it sold out immediately. So don't be that person that gets left out in the cold. Place a pre-order. Thank you for joining me. We do have one other announcement. We just recently announced a brand new release of HO scale models that are modeling the historic Union Pacific train that honored the late President Bush. This includes the SD70 Ace number 4141, as well as several Heritage Series cars from WalthersProto. So you can check out that announcement at walthers.com and place your pre-orders there for that as well. Thank you very much for joining me. Happy holidays from everybody here at Walthers. Wish you the best in the new year.